So guys, jump into the apps, right? The first one for sure you can see it is the, let's start with the trading view. There is the trading view there. You can see it's doing this stuff, so it means I have to fix it. I have to log in and do whatever. So this is the trading view, guys. You can see the platform. It's on my Android. I mean on my iOS where you can see it. So we can jump and then check it out, and then let's go. There you can see. Let's allow it. Let's allow it. So you can see one thing here. Let's see if it will be able to. Yes, definitely it did. Nice, I like it. So you can see right now, right? This is the watch list, the things that you are looking for, you are looking at right now as you're busy trading, right? So but then you can set your own watch list and whatever. Therefore there's the chart here. For the fact that like I'm in a free version, I cannot actually be able to, I'll be able to see all those things. They will be coming all those things, what you call the ads and whatever, because I'm in free version right now. But when you're on the upgraded version, you won't see none of those stuff, right? So right now we can just quickly jump to the currency, right? We can jump to the currency so that you can see the currency. Maybe let's start with the Euro USD. Let's just check Euro USD. Euro USD. Therefore, there you go. Therefore, this is the chart for Euro USD. You see. Therefore, we can also cancel the. These are the volumes. We can cancel them. It's okay. Let's cancel the volumes. Therefore, we're left with the chart, obviously, as you can see here. So also here, these are the events. It shows you the events, but then you can cancel them if you want to. So again, it is this idea. This is where many traders, they gather around and share their knowledge, share their what they see, their analysis in the market and whatever, its own ideas. So it's good to be having this app, because if you are supposed to be doing some crazy stuff, this app will help you. You see, those guys, they actually sending their analysis and whatever. Therefore, we go to the charts. Therefore, this is the chart. You can choose Forex. You can choose stock market, this whatever. You can see this stuff here, gold trades. You can see everything here. Therefore, profile, that's where you actually put your stuff here right now. Profile, that's where you put your stuff. You can put my email and then my password, and it will take me to mark the. But then this is not for today lesson, so we're just gonna skip it, and then let's go back to the watch list. You can see these are the stock market. These are the stocks where you can test. You can see the likes of Able, Tesla, Netflix, and whatever. These are the futures, oil, gold, silver. These are the Forex. Forex is where you're gonna find the currency pairs like Euro USD, GB Pound USD, and whatever. This is your watch list. But then you can set your watch list. Maybe if you want to only focus on Forex, you can set your watch list to only show you the Forex stuff fail, without showing the entire system, the stocks and whatever. You can see. So it's a very good app. It's very clever. It's good. So as like I told you, it has many things to, like, it has many tools that you can use to actually use them to actually analyze the market. So here are the drawings. That's where you're gonna find all those stuff here. The trend line, those trend line. There are so many trend lines. You can just pick the one that you feel like you love it. You see, those are the trend lines here. All are the trend lines here. All of the trend lines here. So we jump to the Fibonacci's. You can see all type of Fibonacci's here. All type of Fibonacci's. Many of them you can use whatever that you know, whatever that you've seen, whatever that you know how to use. These are the shapes, geometric shapes. This is the brush. We use it to, you can see, it can draw. You see, it can draw. It's very good. You can draw. And then let's go back to drawings. We still, this is the highlight. I can highlight. This is the path. We still use it to analyze the market. This is the rectangle. You see all those things there for this annotation, where you actually you can write some notes using this thing, and then whatever. If you're marking or like the market is approaching a support line, and you are marking a support line, maybe you're waiting for the sales. You can for the buys, and you can write I'm waiting for the buy, and I'm just waiting for this type of candlestick to actually confirm my entries, whatever. These are the patterns. You can see the harmonic patterns there, the triangle patterns there. You can see the head and shoulder patterns. the waves, the Elliott waves. You can see all those patterns there. Those patterns which are mostly favored by most traders, that are very favorable. And for this, that are the prediction and measurement. When you measure, this is the risk to reward ratio, long and short positions, and this is the forecast, the date range and whatever. You can just bust pattern. You can use whatever that fits you, whatever that you've been working with, and you know how to work with it. You see, you just simply click here. Right now I'm actually on my iOS, so like I don't know if you're using a PC, it's still simple, it's still okay, you still apply the same stuff. You're just gonna find this very same thing here. But I just wanted to show quickly how this app actually works. But then it's a trading view. I hope you all can see it. So these are the time frames that you can choose: monthly, daily, weekly, whatever. Still okay. You can choose chart type. You can choose whatever. If you want the line chart, if you want the candlestick, now we're under candlestick, you can choose whatever the chart pattern that you want to have, and then yeah, it's like that. Simple. You can see, simple to use and more nice to use. Bar replay. This is one I was talking about. You can cut the price back and then start back testing. Like for instance, you won't allow me because I'm in upgraded version. So I'm not in upgraded version, I'm in a free version. So bar replay, you can use it to cut the price back and then start doing the alert. It's like it has many features that you can use it. So it's very friendly to use trading view platform. So make sure you get this one. I'm going to share the link on my on the description below, so that you can be able to access it so simple and fast. All right, so yeah guys, hope you love this one. So let's quickly go to another. The other one is the Notion app, right? The other one is the Notion app. Let's quickly jump to the Notion app. Continue with table, continue table. Maybe let's continue. Which email? We don't. Yeah, so I'm still signing in it. So let's allow Notion do whatever I do, so that definitely so this is okay, because we're still starting with it, so it's still showing us the next get started. So quickly, it already logged in my stuff, so clever. So these are the stuff that I mainly use. So these are the things that I'm working with right now. You can see if I log in here, maybe let's go to Calyx trading view. So you can see here this is my 90-day plan, the things that I do in the 90-day plan. Damn, I don't want to show you guys whatever. Therefore, if everything that I do, then I come in and pages like, okay, for instance, I read 7 pages and then I meditate, gratitude and cook and forecast and backtest and ASR. So every day I have to come and mark this box. If I was able to read 7 pages, then I'll be come and mark it. So if I did meditate for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna come and mark it. If or not cooking, and then I come and mark it like that. So simple. Forecasting, if I did forecast, I click it like that. If I back tested, I come and click it from like I did back test. So it's simple for you and easier for you to use, as long as you have this type of templates. But then even if you don't have these templates, you can still, because when you're going to log in with it, you're gonna find this type of stuff. You're gonna find this type of stuff here, so you can work with it. But then let me just quickly show you some of my templates that they are actually good. Let's just go here. But then this is only for when you are trading, right? You can see this is the platform, is the that one I took, the template that I took from the Falcon trading guidance, because like that's where I learned how to trade. So not this one actually. Which one? Actually this one for sure. It will show you some of the good stuff here. Yeah, you can see this is the template that like it's the most traders don't need, more especially the beginners. Here you can see master calendar, my trading plan, trading journal, back test, the pair tendency, advanced self review, ASR, 1% tweaks and missed trades and whatever. So this is when, like, maybe let's go to back test, right? If maybe you're back testing Euro USD, therefore you go to the trading view and then you start back testing Euro USD. Where's the Euro USD? Okay, Once you gain here, these are the USD based currencies. You can see all those things. EURUSD, let's check EURUSD. Then if we click the EURUSD, therefore it will take us straight to the EURUSD and show all the backtested data that are already backtested. If I didn't no, I don't want it. So let's say here you can see I didn't backtest anything in here. So you can see here it will want to like title, maybe whatever, double top or double bottom. Therefore pay, you will read which pay is it, you know, the pay here they maybe let's say EURUSD. There's EURUSD, therefore done. You can see now we're in this thing. You're gonna type maybe one double top. You see a double top, you write it double top here. Therefore you retain your double top there. Therefore everything is okay. Therefore you see double top, EURUSD pair direction, maybe short, and then entry date and exit date, stop loss, whatever result, you know, so simple. Therefore you click in here, gonna show you it has to show you the time frames, the daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, and so forth, until you get to your execution time frame. Add to a new back test here. Just simply add a new back test. Therefore it will show you one screenshot of analysis before, which is the daily time frame, starting from the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, and then whatever after screenshot 1 hour, and blah 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 blah, stuff like that. And the additional info after screenshot, you take this one after the trade played out, whether you lose or win. So you come and then after there you write an additional info, maybe you lost or you won, or you won, then you're gonna write why the trade won, why the trade lost, and how you were feeling when you're in a trade, and writing all those whatever that you'll be writing there. So you know, so simple and easier to use. So there are quite a lot of stuff you can use with this app, therefore. But yeah, reading list, whatever, it's up to you, whatever that you want to read. Therefore you put in here, and then you see it's like simple, man. Very good platform to use. Back testing, you can see we can create whatever the folder that you want to do. This is the first folder I created for myself. I did back testing, and then you see I was doing all those things. I was journaling USD, Sunday, whatever. Oh man, I don't even know what I was doing here. So this is my analysis and blah 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 blah. You can see all those analysis there. And then from there was supposed to be the 4 hour, my 1 hour, and then just the network is a little bit slower, but it's okay. So you can see all those things that I was doing here. I was back testing a lot. So journal here also, I was journaling my trade, demo trade, back testing, whatever. Let's go to the demo trade. I don't even think I did the 7 September 2020. That was a long time ago. Yo, you can see, man. So I was doing, you can create whatever the folder that you want to work with, and then you start under it, you'll do whatever that you want to do. So guys, I hope you guys see it. It's a great app to actually journal your stuff. It's called Notion app. If you want it also, I'll leave the link in my description I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay, so let's go to another that you need to use. Let's cancel TradeView. Which one? TradeView and Notion app. And what else? I talked about 4 important apps. Here nothing. What else? TradingView. Let's go to MetaTrader. I didn't download the MetaTrader 5, but you can see this is the trading MetaTrader 5. So this is a trade we actually use to execute our trade. So you can see the chart, Euro JPY here. You can see that's how it works. You see. So currently right now Euro JPY, it's been playing very nice. So this way you get codes. This way you get your codes. Maybe your currency pairs or your whatever you are indices and whatever, you're gonna find them here. Then if you want to add some, you can here and add whatever. There's the major forex pairs, minor energies, agricultural commodities, major, minor, whatever, gold, in silver, you can get in here, and then you're gonna just type whatever thing that you want to trade and type it will appear. Therefore, this is the chart. When you get it, gonna show you the chart. This is the trade if you want to trade whatever. Therefore, this is the history. I didn't trade anything. I just transferred the money into this account. Never traded this account. Just transferred like 7 rand in here because I was doing some stuff with it. So you can see this is gonna show you some of your accounts. It's gonna show the account that you have here. So you can see here, man, both my account, they have nothing. Damn. But then soon we'll be having something. So you can see, man, that's how it works. So these are the apps that every beginner needs. So this one is actually mainly used to execute trades. MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 are used to execute trade. So basically, I'm sorry guys, I didn't download the okay, let me download the investing.com first real quick. Let me download investing.com real quick. Real quick. Just for you guys. Investing.com real quick. Done. Therefore, it's coming right now. Therefore, we'll be able to see it. There it's coming. So also that one is the one that I told you about. It is used for seeing the economic events, the news. We call it the news, economic event. Therefore, that one is also very good at those stuff because we'll be able to see the news. Done. Let's also see what is it having for us. So let's see. This thing dot financial market for everyone anyway. So we're about to kill it, guys. So once we have these helps as a beginner, you'll also be gonna be caught. Which one do I have? This one, I think, for sure. Please sign in. I think that this other one that I have an account in. Maybe it will. Maybe it's it. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's not. Definitely it's this one. Thank you. Fast, real quick. Therefore, you can see when you're in here, can it rotate and rotate? No, it doesn't rotate. Some sort of whatever. Let's forget it. So here is the market. You're gonna see the markets here, the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, whatever. Therefore, we need news. Do we need news? No, we don't need. We need calendar, right? We need this calendar here. This is where we see the economic calendar, where the news will be coming. They'll show the time and the date and how impactful they are. So this is the JPY, where you can see from Japan. So it will show you, hey man, you want to go in full details here. So here is Japan here. You can see they already came. So it shows you the time. This is the time where they came, and for you can see the little, I don't know if it's the bull head or whatever it is 1, 2, 3. If they are white and all those 3, it means the news are very high, they have high impact. If there's 2, maybe it's medium. If there's 1, they are low. You see the colored bull with the white color. If there's more, if there are 3 of them white, it means there are high impact news. Remember, if there are only 2, it means they're medium. If they're 1, they are low. So like this one is became core durable goods orders. They were 3, means they were high impact news. Again, probably gross domestic product, and you can see it was 3. 1, 2, 3 means they were strong. It means the news came what? We'll check in here if the news came positive or the news came negative. It went down. So yeah, they were going down. It means it was negative. Blah blah blah. I don't know. It's all what you need to know about the investing.com. That's where you see your events. That's where you see the news. That's where you're able to predict whatever you want to predict. For as long as you're trading fundamentals, therefore that's where you go to check those news. And you can also come in here to this is actually your profile. You can add your stuff in here so that you can keep up with them. So we keep up with the investing.com. It can give you the future alerts, whatever. So guys, I hope you all see the videos. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's pop out of here. So guys, yeah, it is what it is, man. Let's cut it here.